This is section 2.2, point slope form, day 2. So in the last lesson, we talked about what point slope form is and how to write equations in point slope form. And today we're going to talk about how to graph an equation from point slope form. So the first thing we want to do is identify the slope from the equation. So if we remember, our point slope equation was y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. M is still our slope, like it was in slope-intercept formula. Then once we identify the slope, we want to identify the point given. Remember, this x1 comes from a point, x1, y1, and then the y1 comes from there as well. So we want to identify the slope, identify the point, and then we're going to graph the point and use the slope to find two other points, like we do with slope-intercept. So this first one, let's look at it. First thing we want to do is identify the slope. So in this case, our slope is our m value, which is right here. So our slope is 1/2. And then our point, so I look first at this whatever comes after x, so it's -4. Remember, we do the opposite, so that our x value is +4. And we have a minus y minus 3, so it's going to be a +3 for y. Now we have a slope and a point, so I'm going to graph the point 4, 3 first, right up here. And then I'm going to use the slope to find two other points. So remember, a slope of 1/2 could mean up 1 and to the right 2, but it could also mean down 1 and to the left 2. Once I have 3 points, I can go ahead and draw my line. Let's do this for the second example. So first thing, so we have y plus 1 equals -3/4 x minus 6. So first thing, find your slope, which in this case is -3/4. And then our point. The opposite of -6 is +6, +6, and the opposite of +1 is -1. So there's our point. So once again, we start off by graphing our point, 6, 1. So we go over to the right 6 and down 1. And use our slope of -3/4. So that could mean down 3 and to the right 4. It could also mean up 3 and to the right, or in the left 4. So it's right here, coincidentally matching up with the other. That was not planned. So this is our line for that one. And our last example, y minus 2 equals 5/3 times x plus 1. So same thing, find your slope, which in this case is 5/3, and then our point. So we look for the opposite of +1, which is -1, opposite of -2, which is +2, and we graph that point. So -1, 2 is right here, and we have a slope of 5/3. That means up 5 and to the right 3. So we'd be up here. Or it could mean down 5 and to the left 3. So we would be right there. And then we just draw our line, connect the dots, and there is our line. So make sure that when you are graphing from point slope, make sure you follow those 3 instructions, and then you should be good to go.